Hey friends, welcome back to the channel, your go-to spot for finding the cutest, most functional products on the internet. Today we're reviewing a super pretty, super practical item that I know you're going to love, the backpack flower for ladies. It's bold, floral, and built for real life. So let's dive into what makes this your next must-have bag. Turn heads with the backpack flower for ladies. Let's talk aesthetics first, because this backpack flower is beautiful. It features a vivid mix of floral prints in pink, purple, orange, blue, and yellow. Whether you're heading to school, work, or just out and about, this backpack is sure to turn heads and brighten your outfit. But beauty is only half the story. It's also incredibly functional. Main compartment, spacious enough for books, tech, clothes, front zipper pocket, for your go-to essentials. Two side pockets, perfect for water bottles or umbrellas. Interior pocket, great for keeping valuables safe. You will find the link to the product in the description. Please subscribe to the channel to support more stylish, honest reviews. Like this one. Practical enough for every day. Made from durable 600D polyester, this backpack can seriously keep up with your lifestyle. It's lightweight, long-lasting, and designed for comfort, with breathable fabric on the back and adjustable shoulder straps for a perfect fit. It's ideal for school travel, everyday errands, summer camps, gifting to friends or family. You will find the link to the product in the description. Please subscribe to the channel for more product finds that actually work in your daily life. Why it's better than the rest? Look, we've all been burned by cute backpacks that tear, fade, or get uncomfortable. That's not this one. The backpack flower is different. It combines strong construction with a standout look, and that's rare. Built to last with wear-resistant fabric, doesn't fade after a few washes, plenty of storage without looking bulky, stylish enough to replace your purse or work bag. This bag outperforms other floral backpacks on Zasav. Calm, and it's not even close. Final thoughts. Should you get one? If you love floral, functional fashion, then yes. 1000% yes. The backpack flower for ladies is everything you want in a day-to-day bag. Durable, practical, and seriously cute. Product link is in the description. Go check it out now. Please subscribe to the channel so you never miss a review that saves you time, money, and shopping stress. Thanks so much for watching. Stay stylish, stay organized, and I'll catch you in the next video.